Hi guys, today we compare Realme GT6 versus Honor Magic 6 Pro. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 and the Realme GT6 launched on June 2024. The dimensions, width and thickness is same and the weight of Honor Magic 6 Pro is 225 gram and the Realme GT6 come with 199 gram. The build Honor Magic 6 Pro come with front and back glass and aluminium frame. The Realme GT6 come with front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The display of these devices Honor Magic 6 Pro come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The Realme GT6 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The Realme GT6 come with 6.68 inches screen size and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 6.8 inches screen size. The screen resolution is same in both wise 1.5K and the PPI dynasty. The Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 453 PPI dynasty. The Realme GT6 come with 450 PPI dynasty. The screen to body ratio, the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 91.6% screen to body ratio. The Realme GT6 come with 91.8% screen to body ratio. The aspect ratio, Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 19.5 by 9 and the Realme GT6 20 by 9 aspect ratio. The refresh rate of these devices, Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 120Hz refresh rate with 5000 nits peak of brightness and the Realme GT6 come with 120Hz refresh rate with 6000 nits peak of brightness. And the screen production, Realme GT6 come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen production and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Nano Crystal Shield screen production. And the both devices come with dual SIM, dual standby, no headphone jack in both devices. Let's go to the platform. The Honor Magic 6 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 by 1 by 3.3 GHz and the Realme GT6 come with octa-core Cortex X4 with 3.0 GHz. The Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset and the Realme GT6 come with Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the GPU, the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Adreno 750 and the Realme GT6 come with Adreno 735. The Realme GT6 come with Android 14, Realme UI 5 operating system and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Android 14, Magic OS 8 operating system. The benchmark score, the Honor Magic 6 Pro got 2 million score and the Realme GT6 1.5 million score. Let's go to the camera setup. The Honor Magic 6 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide with 1-inch sensor and 180 megapixel periscope telephoto with 2.5x optical zoom and a 50 megapixel ultra wide with LED flash HDR panorama and its record 4K 60 fps video. The Realme GT6 come with triple camera setup too. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom with dual LED flash HDR panorama and its record 4K 60 fps video. The front selfie camera, the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with dual selfie camera. The main sensor is 50 megapixel and a TF 3D biometric sensor and its record 4K 30 fps video. The Realme GT6 come with 32 megapixel selfie camera and its record 4K 30 fps video. The memory of these devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 12 and 16 gigs of RAM and Realme GT6 come with 8 gigs and 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM. Honor Magic 6 Pro come 256 gigs, 12 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. The Realme GT6 come with 256, 512 gigs of internal storage. No SD card support in both devices. The common and the features, Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, UFS 4.0, Type-C 3.2, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speakers, wireless charging, IP68 water and dust resistant, Face ID unlocking and SOS system via satellite. The Realme GT6 come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC 2.0, USB Type-C, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speaker, UFS 4.0, IP65 water and dust resistant. The battery backup, Realme GT6 come with 1500 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging. It cannot support wireless charging. The Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 5600 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charging and 66 watt wireless charging. The price of these devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with $995 and the Realme GT6 come with $700. The points of these mobiles, The Honor Magic 6 Pro got 24 points and the Realme GT 6 got 17 points.